One of the biggest challenges that manufacturers face today is shipping and logistics. From ongoing driver shortages to ever-increasing costs to lost and damaged freight, these are just a few of the challenges that you have to deal with. These challenges can be made a lot worse when you try to ship a tubular product like a large stainless steel tube. Hi, I'm Greg Whitman from Spuncast. Over the years, we've seen our customers continue to struggle with all these issues. So several years ago, we decided to take on the challenge of shipping ourselves. And over that time, we've become quite adept at handling the logistics and cost problems that come with it. In this video, I'll describe some of the solutions that we've come up with to very specific problems. We call this a Foundry-to-Factory approach, and it's a prepaid and add solution that offers you things like competitive pricing. We can leverage all of our vendors against each other to find the best bid. International and domestic freight. We ship nationally and internationally and handle all the paperwork and problems that come with that. Optimized route schedules. Built on carriers' known shipping lanes, we're able to make sure we get the package picked up on time and delivered when you need it. Tubular product shipping expertise. We only ship tubes, and whether it's on an LTL or a flatbed, we know the best way to get it to you undamaged and on time. Freight damage claim processing. If there is any loss or damage in freight, we will replace the part to you while we handle the claim on your behalf with the trucking company so that you don't miss any time and have to deal with the headaches that go with the claims process. Follow the link below to our blog to learn more about Spuncast's unique Foundry-to-Factory solution and how it can help solve your shipping problems.